Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If the cruise control, guys, does not work on your BMW 3 Series E46, guys, we'll show you how to diagnose the system and how to figure out what's wrong with it, guys. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Now, we'll be working on a 2005 BMW, but it should cover the whole generation from year 1998 to year 2006, guys. That's what we'll be doing now. All the tools and parts, including the scanner that we'll be using, you can find listed in the description of the video below for your convenience as well. So let's start on it now. So this is the car that we'll be working on, 2005. Our cruise control doesn't work, guys. Okay, here are the buttons. You might have a different style steering wheel, it doesn't really matter, and I'll show you guys, okay, where the problem is now. This is the scanner that we'll be using. We're going to connect it to the OBD port of the vehicle, and I have the OBD port disconnected here actually because we'll be doing some diagnostics under the dash. I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, so let me just plug that one in, trying to do it with one hand. Perfect, it's in. Now let me show you guys what I will be doing now. So we'll go ahead, guys, okay, turn the ignition on. Okay, turn ignition like that. Okay, ignition is on. Now, this is the computer that we're using, and this computer works on any car almost, not just BMW. You can, super powerful computer. You can read and delete codes from every module and computer in your vehicle. Okay, and check out some of the makes that it supports. Okay, it's simply amazing, guys. So we'll click VIN number, auto detect, and it's going to decode everything on its own and tell us which vehicle we have and all that, so we don't have to manually do that. Now, if you guys have any other problems with your car, please leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem. That way, guys, okay, we get an idea for a video and you'll get an answer. And also, if we're busy, I've noticed that some of our subscribers will actually answer your questions and help each other out. So this is amazing, guys, that we can do that and we can help each other out for free and not go to the dealerships. So you can see it's loading, BMW European. It's going to read the VIN number of the vehicle now. We have to confirm this is the correct one. Yes. And then, guys, okay, it gives us BMW. Okay, right here, our battery is extremely low, so we'll have to charge it. I had the doors open for a long time doing other videos and the car pretty much drained the battery, so I'll turn the ignition off, turn it back on. It says 10 seconds to wait. Okay, and we'll go to diagnostics. Now we'll go to control unit. Next we're going to go, guys, to body. Okay, right here, and we're going to select, guys, okay, under body you can see how many things you have. Okay, you can see AC systems, so much information, guys. It can be found right here. And sometimes, okay, it could be under body. Sometimes, guys, okay, like we have right here multifunctional steering wheel. Sometimes it could be a different module, and I'll show you which one. We'll go to live data now, guys, okay, and we're going to select cruise control buttons, and we're going to test if the buttons work. Okay, so tempomat variant, yes. Okay, now on and off switch. Okay, on and off. So when I click that one, it should change here to operate it. Check it out, our switch works. So setting acceleration, the plus, if I click on it, it should change to operate it. Minus, working. Resume speed, working. So our problem is not there, guys. So where is our problem now then? Okay, that's a little bit complicated now. We need to go ahead, guys, okay, you need to check if you have a fuse, if you have a relay for yours. We have a fuse on our E46, check that one, it's for the okay, it's for the cruise control. Then I'm going to go back to chassis and we're going to select ABS and DSC module. And right here now, guys, okay, we have something else I'm going to show you. It's loading now. Live data. Okay, and you have the different stability controls and all that stuff. Okay, so let me show you now. Brake lamp switch, guys. Okay, that's what we need to find. Brake lamp switch. This is the brake light switch. Okay, it says operated all the time. Our switch is messed up, guys. We have a bad switch. So that is causing, guys, your cruise control not to work. Stay with us, we'll show you how to fix it. Now, if it could be a bad button, it could be a bad fuse, it could be a bad wiring harness, or a bad brake light switch. So we'll show you now, guys, okay, how we're going to fix the problem in our case. So we're under the brake panel, guys. We remove that cover here, and we have a video how to replace the brake light switch. This is your brake light switch and how to adjust it. We replaced ours, and after we replaced it, guys, I'm going to go ahead and see, okay, if I turn the ignition on now, okay, what's going to say? Okay, we need to establish communication with the vehicle again, so I'm going to go back, click live data. Okay, and brake lamp switch, it says not operated. That's how it should be. And if I press the brake pedal now, okay, it should say operated. Okay, so our switch was bad, and as a result, guys, the cruise control doesn't work. Why? Because every time you hit the brake, the cruise control stops working. And if you have a bad brake switch, okay, that's why it doesn't know if you hit the brake or not. It's going to cause your cruise control not to work. So, thank you guys for watching. Please. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.